bloody hawk on the top of the aviary. Just sitting there watching them. Oh, you're there. Look, what do you think you're doing? Go away! Hello, darling. Hello, my babies. Hello. It's happy Sunday. Not very sunny outside, but do you guys want to go outside? You don't seem to be in a hurry to come out. Hello, babies. There was a sparrowhawk, but it's gone now. That's a bit interesting. I've never seen 4 youngsters be so placid and quiet when I open the door. 26th of March 2023. We have the Budgies. So here we go, we're waking up now. Yeah, stretch. Hello, Aunt. Hey. Here we go. Anna and Ella just had a nice little stretch. Alan is taking it slowly to have a look around and see their big siblings, and see where they're going to come to, and they're full of wonder. They're not at all sure. How are you, darlings, hey? What do you think? Hey? Don't you think it's exciting? Go into the... Oh, do you not want to go out there, darling? Ow! Ow! Don't bite my... Oh, you want to come out? No? You're not ready? Okay, right, so this is telling me they're not quite ready. Okay, darling, you don't have to come out. Okay, and you're coming in there too? Alright, they're a little bit thrown, so I'm going to take them back inside so they can have the comfort of home, because they're not sure what to make of all this. Alright, it's too early. But you guys are flying now. Anna and Ella getting used to being out of the nest, but I'm not putting them in the outside yet, though. They're not ready. So it's the 26th of March, on Sunday. Clocks went forward fabulously. And I'm in with the Budgies. Welcome to Budgie Central 123. And we're going to take a look at Sheila and Prince's Budgies. See how they're all doing. Hello, darlings. Look how big they're getting every single day. Hello, darlings. Hello, my darlings. They're going to run to the back. Hello, babies. Hello, darlings. Look at you. You're getting bigger. So 26th of March, 2023. And we're now looking at Prince and Sparkles and Charlotte's nest. Prince and Sheila just had another fun afternoon. So we're going to open this and see the 5 babies. Oh, Charlotte's not happy. Hello, darlings. Hello, my darlings. How are you? Good afternoon. Oh, it's good that you're not all running backwards. Hello, babies. So here's the youngest baby, at just over 2 weeks old. Sparkles and Charlotte's little one. You can see the colouring coming out. It's alright, darling, it's okay. I know that sound is probably a bit scary. It's alright, darling, don't worry. I'm going to bring you to me. Okay, look at you, beauty. So here's baby number either 1 or 2 of Sparkles and Charlotte. And we really do have the Ukrainian flag on our face, don't we? That's the most blue I've seen. Look at the green. Wow, gorgeous. This one's just gonna say just about 4 weeks, almost 4 weeks old. I'll get the proper numbers for tomorrow. So I just had Aunt out all afternoon, or for a couple hours anyway, 3 hours, and brought him back, and Dad's gone straight to feed him, which is lovely. Good boy. Yeah, they're not ready to go out yet. He said, I'm really hungry, Dad. It's been a very busy day. Good boy, Jack. Good boy, Jack. Good boy. Right, there's little Aura having some food from Dad. So these two spent the afternoon out, which is fine, but they aren't ready to leave yet. Good baby. So Dad is doing a good job of feeding Aura, Alan. Hi, Danny. There you go. Good baby. There you go. Nice. Snuggle up there, okay? Good baby. There you go. You missed your siblings, didn't you, huh? Okay. Good boy, Jack. And there's Anna. Happy. Yeah, gorgeous. It's the first time I'm leaving the flap open because it's getting lighter sooner and they like to be out. Till the next time, catch you on the next one.